कर दी.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kapil Kuri, and my student ID number is 104086. Here I am going to talk about the facilitating innovation and change assignment. So my project work is about the countdown. So here I am going to talk about all the project is about countdown. First of all, I just give you the brief introduction about the countdown. Countdown store was established in 1981. The first countdown store opened in the north of the New Zealand, and it comprises the very famous group of the privileged supermarket. There are more than 1900 employees working in this store, and according to the September 2018, they have around 180 supermarkets in New Zealand, and it's one of the biggest supermarket in the all over the New Zealand. And the head office of the supermarket store is handled in the Whangarei and Auckland. The store are divided into 10 areas. In the next slide, I have to talk about what are the problems facing by the countdown. The first problem is the facing by the countdown is the social media. As we all know that the social media is very active nowadays. So every person uses social media, and the customer also follow the pages of the product. This creates a very bad impact on the business, and customers start avoiding this use of product. Like for example, there are lots of other companies, they put the pack and save, and other companies put the ads on the social media, they give discounts, so the customer distract and go to the other companies. And the second one is the customer dissatisfaction. the customer dissatisfaction means like there are some countdowns. If the customer service is not good, for example, if they go to the like the checkouts, they sometimes the barcode are not working properly. So with this, the customer distract, and they go to the they also feel the problem. So the company faced a lot of problem issues from the side of the customer, which became a major challenge for this firm. And the third one is the online delivery. So as we all know that the technology is going so much modern right now. So online delivery is very important. Like in some store are like old, so they don't have the online delivery system. So due to advancement of technology, so there are some pack and save and other companies, they do online like 24/7. So you can order online and you can pick up from the store. So that's the problem facing by the counter. And the next slide, I have to talk about the detailed description of the innovation ideas. So the term of operation help in the projecting the number of business activities. One of the almost comprehensive is the supply chain management. And then the second one is the well and organized system of network management in critical of managing any business in a cost of effective manner. And the third is the solution of planning assist of the recognition original operator of holding and weakening. And the fourth one is it also help to determining the workers that the high danger of departing from the job, and the additional element that show the stimulant and more necessity to make improvement in the retention. And the next slide, I have to talk about type of innovations idea which can use by the countdown. So first one is the marketing faces a number of provocations of joining of expenditure within the conclusion of the sales and determination the value of the activities performed in the market. And the second is by making use of labor process, frequently grapple to the to get an understandable view of the market, understanding the upshot to each other. The third is the straightforward risk management could help to attaining success in innovatory project. Like in the straightforward risk so company use the risk management plan if the business is going any in risk. And the fourth one is accounting is used to construct describe the represent of the previous and the present year conditions. And the now I'm going to talk about the application of business knowledge, operation and accounting. So in this innovation of new technology to upgrade its online delivery services leading to increase the productivity. So countdown should increase the new technology. With this, it's increase the services of the company. And the second one is the human resources. The human resources is a team of responsible for impacting trading technology knowledge and the latest methods of business, dealing with the freshly joined staff for improving the customer knowledge and profitability. Third one is the risk management. The risk management team identifies the risk faced by an organization, which help them to focus on the innovation of their work does not get hammered. For example, like sometimes in the company there are some things going bad, like customer not get satisfied, and they have some the staff feel any problem, so they have to make the risk management plan so company go run smoothly. And the next slide, the strategy create to a culture of innovation. The first point is the transmission of the alteration of master plan, and the second one is workshop for the employees. So there are some strategies which we can use in the countdown. For example, in the workshop for employees, so countdown should organize some workshop for the employees where they can talk and sit and describe about what we have to change in the company. So in this, and the next one is the role of the strategies in motivation. It is very important to understand the innovation required by a company at the current time. And the second point is with the pressure of the changes in countdown, the board of directors and executive need to work on technology, accounting, and customer satisfaction. And the third is the sound of business knowledge is an asset of organization management and continues to develop of organization necessary for improved performance and gaining the competitive advantage over others. There are two types of stakeholders. One is internal and the second is external. The internal ones are employees and owner, and externals are customers, investors, and suppliers, etc. So there are some questions which I asked to the countdown store employer. The name of the employer is the Richard. So I asked to the external stakeholders, like question for the internal stakeholders: do you think that implementation of better supply chain management is effective the firm? And the second question I asked: do you believe that innovation will help the firm to handle the different challenges? Because when I completed my assignment, I sent to the employee of the counter, and he checked my assignment, and after that he just replied me back, and I will show in the next slide. And the second is the external stakeholder. What is the advantages of the innovation for you? Do you agree this innovation will help in the service improvement? And the next slide I am just talking about the when I just talked about the internal stakeholder, the name of Richard, who is working in the counter. So he just replied me back. I just asked two questions, and he replied, "Hello Kapil. Yes, I think that the innovation is better for us, and it makes it easy for us to handle the work, and it makes it easy for to handle the work and provide the effective service for the customer." And the second was the external stakeholder feedback from the customers. So I just researched by the countdown feedback. So there are some the things which I came to know from it. So I, dear Kapil, I believe that it's help us to better services and also help to keep our time safe, and personally appreciate it. Thank you. And the next slide is all my references.
Well, go back to the type of innovation.
Type of
Innovation. There. You mentioned marketing.
Yeah.
And also some labor process,
Yeah.
risk management,
Yeah.
and accounting.
Yeah.
So what is the type of innovation? These are the specific changes that you want to introduce.
Yeah.
So when you say type of innovation, is it in the product, in the process, technology? What type?
The type of innovation, like they have to add some workshop to find to do some innovation idea, like to how to increase the productivity of the company and how to reduce the cost. So
Yes.
that's type of innovation.
Yes, there are many types of innovation. I already mentioned. Is it product innovation, process innovation, technology innovation? What? What type of innovation are you saying, given all those specific things that you are proposing?
Yeah.
Is it process, product, technology?
It's a process.
Process. But you mentioned somewhere, next slide, another one, I think for the strategies there.
Yeah.
To work on AI technology.
Sorry.
Number 2, with the
Yeah.
pressure of changes in Countdown, the board of directors and executives need to work on AI technology, accounting, and customer satisfaction.
Yeah.
What AI technology will you introduce to motivate people? You mentioned work on AI technology. AI means artificial intelligence technology.
Yeah.
So how will you employ that to motivate people?
So with the pressure of changes in Countdown, the board of director and executive need to work in the AI technology. So so they introduce some new technology in the company. For
Yeah,
example,
so AI is artificial intelligence. What type of AI technology will the executives and board of directors need to work on to arrive at customer satisfaction and even accounting?
so like they provide the laptops, computers to them.
No, that is not AI technology. Laptops are basic. But when you say AI, it's artificial intelligence, machine learning, face recognition, etc., robotics.
Yeah, it's like they give to the like they have air lifters,
The what?
like they have lifters like to
Forklift.
put the forklifters
No, forklift.
is a
You
robot.
mean is robotics? The
Yeah.
forklift is run by machine, not by people.
So like for example the scanners, when we scan the code barcodes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but that is machine. That's reader. That's a reader.
Yeah.
You have to be clear with what you are saying here, AI technology, because AI is a different
Self-checkout.
type of technology. It's more advanced.
Okay.
Artificial intelligence, machine learning, chatbot, robotics, facial recognition. If you are not sure about that, you better delete that.
Okay. Any questions?
Yes?
Do you think what are the main problems faced by the customer during online delivery, and what are the major what's the major challenge faced by Countdown during the delivery time?
So like we all know that the advancement of technology, so we have to do the online delivery, so customer get the things very fast. So right now some Countdowns facing that problems. Even me sometimes, if we go to the outdoor areas, they don't have like to go for the small areas, so they don't have the online delivery facilities. So I think that the Countdown company should introduce not a big online delivery management team, but for the small online delivery team, so they can deliver the things within a time for the customers.
There is a minimum amount required. Like New World has been doing this even before the COVID. For a minimum of $100 purchase,
Yeah.
you can be delivered.
Yeah.
So I think in that aspect, Countdown has lagged behind.
Yeah.
Because even Fresh Choice, which is just a local company, is already doing delivery
Yeah.
after online purchase.
Thank you.
Okay, next please.